Since March 2020, dining tables have turned into workstations, and kids are doing homework online as adults work from home. We are supposedly getting used to the new normal, whether it's retail or automotive or telecommunication company. Everyone is talking about ways to get accustomed to the new normal. People are talking about virtualization, telehealth, cybersecurity, collaboration platforms, and so on. But the truth is that all of them existed much before COVID-19 hit us. So is the new normal really new? We are enabling over 250,000 employees on virtualized workstation at global banks and pharma companies. Over 4.5 million telehealth consultations have already been done, connecting security trust for over 500 million telecom users to eliminate unsolicited calls. What is new is scale, scope, and speed of digital adoption and transformation. Everyone seems to be talking about how to survive the new, but we believe that it's time to connect with the new. We are aligned to our brand promise of connected world, connected experience, and we're true to our DNA to ride over the risk. And we have already shown leadership in technology, experience design, and sustainability. Delivering at scale, we have also been recognized with Dow Jones Sustainability ranking, so we say, why survive when you can thrive? As most economies across the world move from closed to open over the next few weeks, they need a trusted partner who can help them ensure business continuity, ensure employee safety, drive growth, conserve and deploy resources efficiently, and most importantly, empathize with stakeholders. Our ready suite of solutions on remote working, Workstation-as-a-service, thermal sensing, new age delivery, cybersecurity are already helping CXOs. We can help businesses thrive the new with social empathy, and we rise to survive and thrive.